Hello students. Today we are going to learn subject General Science. Chapter number 18 Sound Production of Sound. Sound. We hear different kind of sounds around us. Sound is generated due to variety of events such as clapping our hands, knocking on a door, barking of a dog, speaking, playing musical instruments, horn of vehicles, speaking with each other. Vibrations are produced in the objects which generate sound. For example, the bell, the strings, or diaphragm of a musical instrument. Vibration of an object is necessary for generation of sound. We hear sound as long as object vibrates. Sometimes we can see vibrations, but sometimes vibrations are so minute that we cannot see them with our eyes. When the string of tanpura or sitar is plucked, the string can be seen to vibrate. At such time, the motion of the string is repeated again and again at fixed intervals of time. The motion of the string of tanpura is periodic motion. Oscillator, oscillation, and oscillatory motion. When children are seen playing on a swing, the swing can be seen to cross the central position again and again as it moves from one end to other end of swing. A swing or a pendulum that moves back and forth is called oscillator. So the motion of the oscillator is back and forth. Now here you can see a pendulum. Here the main position or original position of pendulum is OP. When an oscillator moves from one end to the other and returns to its starting point, it is said to have completed one oscillation. In this diagram, we can see that the path from point A to P to B and again from B to P to A means A, P, B, P, A is called one oscillation. It means when we start from point A and reach to point B and comes back to point A, then one oscillation is completed. Time period of oscillation. The time required by an oscillator to complete one oscillation is called the time period of oscillator, and it is denoted by capital T. Unit of period of oscillation is second. Amplitude. The maximum distance covered by an object on any one side of its central position is called amplitude of oscillation. In figure, OP is the central position and so PB or PA is the amplitude. Oscillatory motion. The back and forth motion of an oscillator on either side of a central position is called oscillatory motion. Frequency. The number of oscillations completed by an oscillator in 1 second is called the frequency of oscillation. Frequency is denoted by N, and the formula for frequency is equal to 1 upon time period of oscillation. The unit of frequency is hertz. 1 hertz means there is one oscillation completed in 1 second. Interrelation between length of pendulum, period of oscillation and frequency. The time period of oscillation depends on the length of the pendulum. Time period increases if the length of the pendulum is increased. The frequency remains same even if the amplitude decreases or increases. Intensity of sound and sound level. Loudness or softness of sound is indicated by two terms: intensity of sound and sound level. The intensity of sound is proportional to the square of amplitude of vibration. Sound level is the intensity of sound as perceived by our ears. The decibel is the unit for measuring sound level. Audible sound. Human can hear the sounds having frequency between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz. It is called audible sound. Infrasonic sound. The sound with frequency less than 20 Hz is called infrasonic sound. Infrasonic sounds can be produced and heard by whales, elephants, hippopotamus, and rhinoceros. Ultrasonic sound. A sound with a frequency higher than 20,000 Hz is called ultrasonic sound. Human being cannot hear such sounds. Bat, dog, dolphin, cat, sea lion can hear ultrasonic sounds. Now, uses of ultrasonic sounds. First, to clean delicate ornaments and the tiny parts of a watch. To observe internal organs of the body. To detect tumors in the brain. To detect faults in a metal. In radar systems. To kill certain microbes. Sonar. Sonar is used to locate the seabed or the position of a ship. Thank you.